inside. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to create this bright makeup look. So I won't give a proper intro right now, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out over there because you get a lot more over there too. And yeah, without further more ado, let's get started to create this beautiful bright makeup look here. Let's get started. So let's get started. So the first thing which I'll be doing is using this SFR Color Hated with Love eyeshadow palette and pick up this beautiful mustard yellow shade from the palette and apply that above my inner corners and crease. So I have basically done my brows using the pack eyebrow pomade in the shade 03, and I've also prepped my eyelids with some concealer. And next I'll be using this Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette, and I'll be picking up this beautiful orange shade and applying that after the yellow shade in a form of semicircle and blending it with the yellow. Next again I'll be using this deep pink and this beautiful red shade from this SFR Hated with Love palette and applying that in a similar way after the orange and the red after the pink respectively, and just blending it out. And then again I'll be using this beautiful deep teal green kind of color, teal blue kind of color, and then this shade Love Hug, which is a deeper blue shade from the palette, and I'll be using that after the red. And then again I'll be using the Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette and using the lighter green and deep green shades from that palette and blending it out. I'm taking it light, like slightly outside my normal eye shape to, wing it out. I won't be applying a proper winged eyeliner over here. I'll just apply eyeliner to, you know uh, make my lashes look natural. So next again, as I said, I'll be using this deeper blue shade from this palette, like light green from this palette, and the deep green from this palette too. So I'm just blending out everything seamlessly. I'm taking it out beyond the eyebrows and just blending it out. Next, with the help of a concealer, I am going to make a cut crease. So I am actually extending the cut crease a little beyond my inner corners because I want the proper cut and I want it that way. And also I am doing the cut crease a little bit above my original crease as I do have hooded eyes, and if I do this cut crease with my natural crease line, then it's just going to look as if I haven't done anything to my eyes. So next I'm using this white shadow from the Beauty Glazed palette and I'm just setting the crease area because I won't be applying any shade over there. I am only applying a near, like the shades near my lash line. So I'm using the yellow shade again. I'm just going in the sequence with which I went ahead in the first time. So I'm just repeating the sequence of colors on my upper lash line and I'm just blending it out all together. Next, I'm using this Stay Quirky golden liner. It's a very beautiful golden liner if you are looking for one. So with the help of that liner, I am going to define my cut crease. So yeah, I'm doing it and I'm just gonna wing it out along the cut crease I have done. This eye is complete and I'll complete another eye, and for my face I'll prime my face with the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I'll apply that on my T-zone and on my smile lines like usually on the places where I do crease. And next I'll be using this Cruise Face palette. This is by You Can Be, and use this face painting palette. I have already carved out the shape of the rainbow with the help of a pencil, and then I am going to use the yellow shade first. I'm just repeating the color sequence which I did it on my eyes, so the color sequence is all the same. I'm just going in the like a gradient form which I did on my eyes. So I'm using all the colors and just making a rainbow as you can see in the video. Next, for foundation, I'll be using this Wet n Wild foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige. I'll be applying this foundation. You'll soon be seeing a haul video because I have purchased a lot of things, and also I'll give you short reviews on that. So yeah, this was the Wet n Wild foundation. I'm actually trying out this foundation. I want to try out and then give you a proper review. So I'm trying this out now. So after blending and buffing this out, I'll be using the Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer in the shade 5 medium and applying that near my inner corners, and I'm just gonna wing my eye look out so that it looks more precise and more better, and then blending it out with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in the shade 25 medium, and I am going to apply that on my under eyes and also my smile lines where I crease. And then again, I'm repeating the same sequence of eyeshadow on my lower lash line, which I did on my upper lash line, and connecting it to the wing. Next, I'll be using this cool tone brown shade from this palette, and I'm just giving my face a heavy chiseled contour as this look was a little bit heavy and very colorful. I wanted a little bit of a heavy contour and heavy blush. Next, I'll be using this reddish pinky color blush from this palette again, and I'll be using the blush. As you can see, I am using the blush a little bit heavy handed because I wanted to intensify the color in this look. So yeah, I'm doing that. I'm just blending that out. Then again, using the face palette, again I'm going in the same gradient form as I went ahead on my eyes, and I am painting my body. So first I use the yellow shade, and then I'm using this beautiful red color. And yeah, disclaimer, don't worry guys, I am wearing some dresses. I'm not sitting naked. I'm wearing a top, of course. I'm not sitting naked. Don't worry about that. I know I look naked, but I am not. I'm wearing an off-shoulder top as I needed to paint my body. So next I'm using this beautiful sky blue shade. It was a very beautiful shade. Just look at that shade. I'm just so obsessed with this sky blue kind of shade. Next, after doing that, I'll be using the white paint, and I'm just drawing little stars and dots all over the all over the body. Next, for highlighter, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution X Soft highlighter palette. I'll be taking this beautiful unicorny highlighter, which has kind of a purple reflex to it. It has a silver base and purple reflex. So I'll be applying this highlighter to the high points of my face, and I'll be also applying the same highlighter on my collarbones too. Then using the Swiss Beauty Glitter eyeshadow palette in the shade number 02, I'll be using this silver shade from the palette, and I'll be again applying that on the high points of my face wherever I had applied the highlighter, and I'm also applying the same glitter on my collarbones too. Next, for lipstick, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Hot Nude. It's a very beautiful nude shade. So yeah, I'll be applying that, and then I'll be using this Dazzler lip gloss and applying that on my lips for that beautiful shine. And then for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Push Up Drama Falsies mascara, and for lashes, I'll be using the PAC M73 lashes, and for eyeliner, I'm using the Puffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katyar eyeliner. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Do subscribe and like and share and comment down if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.